are going to explore the monkey trail today. So we got dropped off. We're really close to the beach. We're gonna walk a little bit, go find the little bridge that takes us to the monkey trails. What are we gonna see, buddy? Let's go check it out. All right, here it is. Can you hop up, buddy? Yeah, this is the monkey trail. Whoa. Okay, the footing is a little bit crazy. And it's a little rainy and the steps are a little sandy, but we're gonna attempt this monkey trail so we can go see some monkeys up in the trees. But here it is. Well, we're about a quarter of the way through the monkey trail, but we cannot record walking because each section is its own little obstacle. And with these little monkeys that are all over the place, we will just have to film whenever we get up there. But the view of the beach is beautiful. And then we found this little cave, right buddy? So we don't see any monkeys. We're gonna keep going though. We found some monkeys. There's a mama and her baby up here that we can go see. This little monkey was just hanging out right by us. Let's go. Yep, go slow. Go past these little monkeys really quick. Let's see if I can hold the camera and the kiddos. There they are. They're just waiting for us. Hi. Say hi, monkeys. Hi, monkeys. 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 Yeah, we have to keep an eye out for monkey poop. For about 2 hours. We played, we swam. It was low tide, so the kids were able to really get in the water and have fun. And it's really hard to video the monkey trail and with the kids. So we're gonna try again. We're gonna go back, see what we can find on the other side, see if we see any monkeys, and we will do our best to film along the way. All right, Heidi is like ready to hit the road. She is probably hungry, and it is nap time. So these are just super steep. As you can see, the kiddos have big steps. So we're just gonna take our time. We had a lot of nice helpers when we were climbing. On the other side, that would just make sure that we got to a flat spot. So they both love the steps. It's just a little bit nerve-wracking because there's lots of open spaces and not a lot of handrails. Neither of them like to ask for help. So we're just taking our time. Scary? Are you being brave? Okay. These are much easier to go up with kids than they are to go down with kids. Any monkeys yet?
No.
No monkeys yet. So we're pretty far up now. You can see the beach through there.
Is there any more steps?
On the other side. But it's also a long way down. So, hey Ryan, don't run. All right, let's see if we see any monkeys. So after the monkey trail, we came to this little restaurant. It's kind of near all the resorts on the other side of the monkey trail. But they had some tables. You can see that the water's right there. They have a cute little cabana thing too if you need some cover. Looks like it's really cute at night. They have like the little lights in the trees and everything. So we are done. We got some fruit, we got some Thai tea and water, and we're gonna go get your tuk-tuk. We're on the other side. We did the monkey walk, the monkey trail, over, and then we did the Centaur Beach for about 2 hours, low tide, and then we're walking back. I think we're gonna try and find some food, and then we can take a tuk-tuk back home. The kids are tired. It's still a little sandy and wet.